Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav. First of all, from any screen into nav, you've got destination down here in the corner, the circular button or the rotary selector, and then your 4 buttons here correspond to these instructions. Destination there, it gives you a clue to start off with. There's a red light there, so click destination, use the rotary selector to go to where you want to, in this case town or zip. So we click the centre to select. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltonley Dale, Preston, PR, and then we need to go to numbers. Turn the dial down to 09 and then 5, and we're selecting by clicking the centre. PR5 4, that's us. Street, well, we'll just go to the centre, but you'd put your street in. I'll put the street in. So we want Chorley Road, CH. O, and it's jumped to Chorley Road there and gives us the option of a house number. We'll do 300. Oops, well, now we'll do 30 because I clicked it beforehand. Start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated.
That's it. It shows you there up the side, gives you a choice of 3. The top one's the fastest.
Please make a U-turn if possible, and then immediately turn right.
It's asking us to do that because basically I'm set on the forecourt, but we'll just knock it off, click destination again, and then you can stop route guidance. So that's how to set the sat nav.